From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big morning here on Mornings Crypto, live from Santa Monica. I'll be going over the top cryptocurrency picks of 2021. Which coins should you buy in 2021? What are the best coins? What are the best cryptocurrencies to invest in? And is that opportunity this weekend? We'll be looking forward to tomorrow, Sunday, and anticipating whether there will be a market correction or at least a buying opportunity. As the market is down this morning, we'll be looking at a series of coins that we have 3 buying and trading opportunities. One is buy and hold, second is flipping within a 3-day period, and another one is day trading. We'll go over different coins and understand how those analysis change coin to coin. We'll be looking at Bitcoin, we'll be looking at Ethereum, we'll be looking at Doge, and then we'll be looking at our flip coins like Polygon, like Decentraland, and also Engine Coin. And we will be looking at Curve, and then Kyber Network, which was a 24-hour trading coin earlier this week, but maybe turning into a flip coin. And finally, LivePeer, which may be giving you the biggest flip opportunity of all of them. Then, as the broadcast goes on, we'll also be going into the split screen and looking at understanding where this market is going right now and where it could be this weekend. This is LALATE. Hi, good morning. How are you doing? In this crypto broadcast, we're going to cover it all the major coins you want to know about, all the major movements you need to know about, all the skills you need to know about how to buy, whether you're advanced or beginner, where to buy the coin, how to buy the coin, what price point, and at any level. And with that, subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record for a reason. 1 year, 400,000 subscribers. Next stop, 1 million. Also, like this video, and let's get right into the markets. The market this morning is not delivering legs. It's not relatively up. So here's what you need to know. Saturdays are always the certain type of behavior over the last few weeks. They're usually very strong days. The market is usually up on Saturdays all the way up to about 11 a.m. and then downturns. The run-up starts usually on a Friday afternoon, then runs up all the way to about Saturday at 11 a.m. and then downturns. And then into Sunday is the lowest point of the entire week. It's not doing that currently. Just after about 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time right now, we have one more hour on when the market usually is its highest of the week, and it's not even up. So this is not an anomaly because I had predicted this yesterday. I said that Friday's numbers late evening on Evenings Crypto were not very strong, and it looks like Saturday will not deliver us an up day, or at least an up morning. So what does that mean for predicting the opportunity to buy? 2 possibilities. 1, if Saturday is flat, Sunday could be flat, like it was last week, and give you no opportunity to buy or sell because it's just a flat market. But if Saturday is flat, Sunday could be a bloodbath. Or if Saturday downturns, Sunday could be a market correction. So here's what you need to know. You need to really be careful on where the market is in the next few hours. You should not be buying anything right at the moment of this broadcast. You should be definitely waiting to see where this market is going to be in about 2 hours from now. Because as I told you, Saturday mornings usually go up and then it goes down. We know at the moment we're not up. We know we're flat. So you're not buying it flat and you're not selling it flat. So we're going to get lower to buy. Not time to buy yet. You want to see how low we're going to go today. Maybe we aren't. Maybe we're going to be flat and you still won't buy. Or maybe we start to downturn. If we start to downturn, you're going to hear it from me on Evenings Crypto. Remember, you got 3 shows on this channel for a reason. Mornings Crypto live, then Evenings Crypto taped right before it goes on air, and then our 15-hour hit show, and boy, you are killing it. You are loving that Evenings Crypto, that overnight show, 15 hours of live broadcast. I'm in the chat with you, so we interact, we talk about price points. We will see as a family what's going on this afternoon, this evening. We will start to see if the market's downturning and if that's the opportunity to get ready to pounce. But let's jump into some price points right now because I think we have an idea of where we're heading. And I think you do as well. Remember my 2 indicators. If you've been with me for a few weeks, you've seen there's 2 indicators to gauge whether the market's going lower. 1, Bitcoin 35,000 or less for 24 hours, or Ethereum 2,500 or less for 24 hours. If either of those 2 events are triggered, then we're going lower and could be going substantially lower. So let's look at where we are right now. There's Bitcoin. Told you, 35,000. So that is not good on a Saturday. Look at that. If you see my mouse in the chart, see my mouse moving around? So we have seen 35,000 several times today. So we are at my trigger point on Bitcoin. We could be going lower, folks. Moreover, look at this. This is a bad indication. Look at that big drop. It was 37 and fell right to 36. It fell $1,000 in just about it looks like about an hour. A very, very sharp drop. So warning signal number one, we could be going lower. Let's look at Ethereum. There's Ethereum. Warning signal number two, it has a sharp drop. In fact, this drop is not programmatic because look, it has steps in it. So this is not a computer selling stuff. This is just people getting out. 27, 29, 28. Now, what are they doing? They're potentially listening to this channel because I told you that Saturday morning is the best opportunity to sell, and then Saturday afternoon is the best starts to become a buyer's market. So they may have been taking their profits at 2,800 because they think we're not going to see that 3,000 for a while, and they may be very right. So if that was you that sold at 2,800, that was a very nice, smart sell if you want to buy and sell short term on Ethereum. So there you go. Ethereum 2,500, almost 2,400. So we are all signaling for downturn, people. Let's get ready for that downturn. If that was not a clear indication, Doge did the same thing. Someone on the overnight chat, I think his name is Gio, said, why is Doge not holding up? Part of my concern with Doge, which is it had 3% up, I think it was on Wednesday, 3% up on Tuesday, and then Thursday had that nice 30% up. And I said, I want it up on Friday and Saturday. Just give me 2% Doge. It couldn't give me 2 more up days. So I'm not happy with Doge. I'm often not happy with Doge. But here you go. This is a coin that has no support. It just doesn't have the support. It can rally for one day and then fall apart the next day. So here you go, 37 cents. It's heading back down to the 20 level potentially on Sunday if this keeps on going. So here go my flip coins. Get that pen and paper out because we're going to be talking about flip coins. These are coins you're going to buy if the market corrects itself on Sunday. Polygon, then you're going to consider Decentraland, you're going to consider an Engine, Curve, and you're going to consider LivePeer. Before I go into the coins specifically, I want to go over the trading behavior so you understand how this works. Ultimately, you have to decide if this is right for you. I can't decide that for you, but let's go over the 3 trading opportunities. 1, buying and holding. So if we have a market correction on Sunday, more about that later in this video, you may want to buy and hold. A lot of people just like buying and holding. They don't have time to do all this other work. They're going to put the coin away and check on it a year, 2, 3, 4 years from now. Buying and holding coins, 3 opportunities I only see at the moment. Ethereum, 1,700, 1,500, anything like that. Buy it, put it away. It'll be 10,000. It'll be 10,000 in a few years, absolutely. Or Bitcoin, 31,000, 32,000. I mean, 33,000 is easy, but I like 31,000. I would try to go real basement on that, and then put it away. It'll go to 100,000 in a couple of years, absolutely. Doge, I try to bargain basement this one. I'd wait for Doge at 29 cents or 28 cents and just put it away. And maybe it goes to $1 later this year. Maybe you want to get out at $1. That's 4 times you return your money if you bought it like 25 cents or 26 cents. But maybe you want to hold it for a few years. It'll go a couple of dollars in a few years. Absolutely. Now, the next set of coins, I'm not going to do that. The next set of coins are my flip coins. What is a flip coin? You're going to buy it and then sell it in 3 days. Why? Because the coin trades in a range. These are not coins that I like as long-term in holds. Why? There's a series of reasons why I don't like a coin for a long-term hold. A coin may have done this and done that over the last 2 years. Then at one point, the coin was $65, and today people are getting excited about it because it has movements around the $1 range. Is that a coin I want to hold? No, because a lot of people lost their shit on that coin no less than a year ago. That is not a long-term hold, but it is an opportunity to flip. So what is a flip coin? Here you go. It's a coin that trades in a range. Very easy example. It trades from $1 to $3. $1, $3. Today, let's use an example. Let's say today it's $1. On Wednesday, it'll be $3. You sell it, you triple your money. The next day, it's going to go right back down to $1. And then it's going to go back up to $3. It just trades in that range, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So what is 1 to 3? 300% return your money. 1 to 2, 200% return your money. So there's certain coins I love for that. And how do we know which coins do that? How do we know which coins exhibit this flipping opportunity? You look at their charts. You look at their charts, and the chart is up, down, in a range. And the range has a ceiling and the range has a lower part. Here's an example. The coin goes $1 to $2. It never goes to 5. It never goes to 50 cents. It always goes 1 to 2. So it's very simple. You're buying at the low and selling at the high. You're doubling your money or you're tripling your money. Pretty easy? It is. So let's go over the coins that have exhibited those traits before. I'll go over with you how many times they've exhibited those traits so you can understand the opportunity level with that coin. And then we'll go over the profit level. And more importantly, get a pen and paper ready because I want you to write down which coin you're interested in or coins interested in getting in and understand where you want to get in on the price point and where you want to get out at the price point because you don't want to hold the coin. Remember, if I tell you the coin goes to $2 and flattens out, doesn't go over $2, you don't want to hold the coin because it ain't going to $4. Don't get into this sort of fairy tale mindset for flipping coins because these are coins you're not going to hope an event happens that has never happened before. All right, let's go right into the first coin, which is Polygon. So here's Polygon. Viewers have done really well with Polygon. Yaya has done well with it. Other viewers have done well with Polygon. They have bought the coin cheap and then flipped the coin. So what is Polygon's buying and selling range? You want to buy Polygon at an 80 cents, and you want to sell Polygon at $2 plus some change. You want to see the chart? Here you're looking at the 7-day. Here you look at the 24-hour chart. So this is a very big, steep drop. But what you won't see in this chart is that Polygon was like $1.80 on Friday. So Polygon is starting to head to our buying opportunity range. It's right now at $1.57. You know, it has 70 more cents to drop. Let me show you why you can do this 80 cents to $2 flip on Polygon. Here you go. Look at the chart with me. 80 cents, $2. 80 cents, $2. See? So you can follow it yourself. You can see by choosing out a chart further. What I'm doing is I'm choosing a chart out further because I'm not going to see the activity in the last few days. I'll see it out within the month chart. You're buying at 80 cents. You're selling out at 2 something. That is about 250% return your money. That's Polygon. Coin number 1. Coin number 2, Decentraland. Decentraland, you're going to buy at 50 cents, sell out at $1. So Decentraland's currently at the sort of the halfway point of that. It's at 80 cents. So you want Decentraland to fall. Let me show you the how low Decentraland can go. You're currently looking at Gemini, which is one of the platforms you can buy coins on, and you can certainly buy Decentraland. So there's Decentraland. You want to buy at 50 cents, out at $1. Double your money. Next coin, Engine Coin. Engine Coin is really if you want to diversify because you can do Engine Coin the same way as you could do a Polygon, but a Polygon has more opportunity to it than an Engine. So Engine, you would only do Engine if you're doing Engine and Polygon. You just want to diversify. In at 80 cents, out at $1.90, out at $2. So it's really the same numbers as Polygon. Just Engine is a little bit harder to do it with. And then we get to Curve, what I'm going to get to in a second. That's not a flip coin, nor is it a hybrid network. My last flip coin is LivePeer. LivePeer is a very volatile coin. So as a volatile coin, it gives you the opportunity to make big money. What am I saying the LivePeer at? Buy it at 11 and sell it at 33. And you may be saying, but that's a long way to go. Yeah, but LivePeer takes those drops. Even if bought at $13. This is how low LivePeer falls, and this is how high LivePeer goes. It goes to $40. I don't want you to hold out to $40. I want you to get in at 11 or 12 or 13, and then out at $30 or 33. You will triple your money. So unlike Decentraland or Engine or Polygon, you will triple your money with a LivePeer. That is why it is one of the coins you want to consider for this flipping opportunity. So how do you flip it? You basically have to wait around for that opportunity to buy LivePeer at $11. So you have to watch it, just sort of watch it. And then when LivePeer gets to $11, you buy it. And then how soon could you sell it out at $3 at 33? These coins generally recover within about 3 days or 4 days. So you're going to have that opportunity to sell very quickly within the week. But you have to be really attentive on the buy side and attentive on the sell side. The opportunity to buy live peer at $11 won't be around for hours and hours and hours. You'll see it heading to 11, and so you'll get ready. It'll be 15. Well, let's do it. It'll be 20, 18, 15. Oh, it's like, oh my God, we're getting really close to that number. Okay, I'm getting ready to buy it. Then you're going to buy it. Then when you're ready to sell it, you're going to see it going, 20, 25, 26. Oh, now it's getting really close to selling. I'm going to get ready to sell. I'm going to get near the computer. You have to get ready to sell because the opportunity to sell at 30 is not always there for hours and hours. It's just sort of a short period of time, just like on the buy side. And then finally, my day trading coins. Now, I don't think that today and Saturday are day trading events. Why? Because generally the day trading opportunities are when the market is up. The day trade opportunities are generally the following behaviorism. The market is up, coins are up 2%, 3%. And then suddenly you're going through the list of coinmarketcap.com, which I'm going to go through in a second. And there's one coin on that list that goes at 20, it's up 20% for this 24-hour period. And you're like, wait a second, up 20%? Everyone else is up 3%. Why are you up 20%? So you jump into their information, their chart, and you look and you say, I think this coin is going to go higher than 20%. It's starting its run just now. I think it could go to 40% or 60% or 80% in the net by the end of today. At that point, you're out. You made double your money, triple your money, quadruple your money. You're out of the coin. You do not want to stay in the coin permanently or longer than that. Why? Because most of these coins have bad charts longer term. Here's an example. A lot of coins after 3 market crashes are still down. They're down horribly. But for some reason, they're trying to get their feet back together and come back. And suddenly they have an 80% up day. Kyber Networks, shown early in this video. It was up 100% earlier this week on Thursday. Up 100% in one day. But here's what it did. It was initially up 20%. That was when you would have wanted to get in. Then it went up 100%, but the day wasn't over. And then it went down to 80%. So you see, if you had gotten in at 100% up, you would have lost money because it already ran up. And if you had held and not sold out, then you would have actually lost money because the next day it lost nearly everything it had gained in that 100% run. Yeah. So this is why you don't want to think that there is something additional that you need to do. You only need to make that profit. And let's go into the split screen right now and look at coinmarketcap.com. It's on my split screen right now. Coinmarketcap.com lists coins based upon market capitalization. What does that mean? How much is invested in the coin? Bitcoin, of course, is number one. The next number you're going to see is the price of the coin, like Bitcoin 36,000. The number after that is a 24-hour movement. If the number is red, it means it's down. Pretty easy, but it also has a down symbol next to it. And then if the number after that is green, it means it's up. It means the coin is up for the 7th day. At the top of coinmarketcap.com is a line that says what is the current market. What is the current industry? And it shows the current industry is down the current industry is down 1.58% for the day. So Bitcoin down. Everything is down with in the top, top 10 of market capitalization. Every coin is down. Is there any coin then we in the top 15 that is up? Oh, there's Solana up 6%. Interesting. So Solana has been a coin that has been really fascinating. I recommend Solana before the 3 market crashes, and some viewers make good money on it. After the 3 market crashes, it didn't come back. It came back very slowly compared to other coins. It didn't rebound enough. Since then, it's had a few days that have been wonderful in the last few days, and then some days have been bad. So Solana is a very peculiar acting coin. A lot of analysts were recommending Solana on broadcast news before the 3 market crashes. So Solana has an interesting opportunity. But when it's up 4% right now, that may be a moment for you to really watch it to see if it breaks away and maybe is up 15, 20% in a few hours from now. If it is, that might be a one-day trading coin. It's up 49% for the 7-day. As we go down on other coins, nothing is up. It's a very bad down market. I have some stuff that's up 1%. Shiba's down 3%, just in the doghouse, getting worse. Someone asked me overnight, what does doghouse mean? It's just a euphemism. It means the coin is just no good. The coin is just going from bad to worse. Not be a buyer. I would not be holding Shiba. There we go. So if you were with me yesterday, there were 2 coins, which I said, wait a second, this market is down and these 2 coins are up. And they were up nicely. One was up a lot and one was up nicely. If you remember those coins, Ace, or have them in your notes, gold star for you. What were those 2 coins yesterday? They were Theta Fuel and UMA. I just remember them. I don't know how I remember them. But here we go. I just found them. I just landed at Theta Fuel. It's up 4% again today. Okay, Theta, maybe I need to stock you. Maybe I need to buy you. You've given 2 days of up when the market's down, and you're up 67% for the 7-day. Something's going on, Theta. That's THEA Fuel, or T Fuel, number 46 of market capitalization. Look it up. People ask me, where can you buy these coins? And what platforms do you recommend? I recommend Gemini, that's G-M-E-N, Gemini, just like the astrological sign.com. That's all it is, Gemini.com. You can do it on your phone. You can do it on the website. The website's a lot of viewers love it. I like it a lot. I think it's a beautiful interface. I think it makes really good sense. You can also use Coinbase.com. I like it as well. Here's what you need to know. Coinbase is fully licensed and regulated in all U.S. states. Gemini is fully regulated and licensed in all U.S. states. Earlier this week, I did a report about England that talked about a lot of these platforms are not licensed and that they are very worried that they are falling below the money laundering regulation rules. And if that continues, they're going to really crack down in spring of 2022. So Gemini is fully licensed and all for that as well. So I like something that's licensed. I also like the interface. It's just very easy. Now you can't buy everything on a Gemini, so you'll have to go to other platforms. Let's go down the list. Anything else up? No. Well, there's Decentraland. It's up 1%. Okay, thank you, Decentraland. Anything else up? No, everything is down 3%, 5%, 9%. Anything that pops out of the list? Nope. There you go. So out of your top 100 market capitalization coins, barely 1 coin is up. If we jump to a lot of people never jump to the second page of coinmarketcap.com because now you're out of top 100 market capitalization coins. It becomes hard to buy these coins. They may not even be on a crypto.com. They may be even harder to get. So one coin making big moves right now is Nervos. Am I nervous about Nervos? It's up 22% for today. Yeah, that sounds like a flipping coin. I mean, a day trading coin, up 20% and up 65%. Why does it make me nervous about Nervos? Because it's a 2-cent coin, and it just smells like that same trading mentality. Let me get out of the split screen to explain what that strange trading mentality is. There's a series of behaviorisms that some people are exhibiting for cryptocurrency purchasing that worries me, and I want to address them right now. Number one, they only want to buy coins that are less than 1 cent. I don't know where this came from. You know, back in the day, a lot of people liked penny stocks, thinking that there would be billionaires on penny stocks. Penny stocks sometimes stay pennies. And you sometimes make pennies on penny stocks. What's important to understand is that if something's cheap, you don't make more money because it's cheap. You make money because the coin moves. So we just saw Shiba earlier this broadcast. Just because something is 0.00001 cent doesn't mean you're going to make more money than someone's coin that's $11. If the $11 live peer coin goes to $33 tomorrow, you've made 300% return your money. If the person who bought the coin that is 0.0001 and the next day it's 0.000018, you haven't made 300% return your money. The person who bought live peer at $11 made 300% return on their money. So I see some people, and that's why Nervos made me nervous before I even know anything about it. It's because it may only be moving because it's a cheap coin. People buy things because, second, don't buy coins because you can brag how many coins you have. That is, I don't know. childish. I don't know what's the word for it. Some people want to say, I have 25 million Shiba coins. How much is that worth? $200. What's the point of sort of saying how many millions of coins you have? I have 1/90th% of a Bitcoin. How much is that? I'm just doing the math on here. $2,000. Oh, okay, nice. There's some people just want to say how many coins they have. That makes no purpose. So let's go to what you need to know going into Saturday and Sunday. Going into Sunday, a market correction. It's starting to look like it. Saturday is currently not flat. And you know what I told you, before 11 a.m., we go up nicely, and then Sunday we go down. But I said if Saturday is flat, then Sunday could be flat. But if Saturday is down, Sunday could be a bloodbath. At the moment, Saturday is not flat. At the moment, Saturday is down. If you look at these coins, a lot of coins are down 4, 5, 6, 8%. That's not flat. That's down. So we were going to know more by evening's crypto tonight. If coins are down 15% by tonight, or 10% by tonight, or they have exhibited 2 days of down 10%, then I think we're heading to a market correction. And that market correction would be Sunday around 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So you want to do the following. First, you want to get that pen and paper out. Second, you want to write down which coin you want to buy, how much of that coin you want to buy, and what price you want to buy that coin. Then you also want to write down for yourself where you want to sell the coin. Oh yeah, we plot everything out here. So if you're doing a flip, if you're doing a 3-day hold approximately and try to flip the coin at 200%, 300% return your money, I want you to write down exactly when you're getting, how much you're getting it, and what price point, and when you want to get out. And I want you to know, I never say this as a job, but I'm gonna say it right now. Know that you have availability to do that in your social life. So if you are buying a coin on a Sunday evening, but are going on vacation to Hawaii in Wednesday, then don't be buying a darn coin on Sunday. Don't be buying a coin on Sunday and going on vacation on Wednesday, and you have no Wi-Fi where you're going. Well, you won't be able to get out of the position. I think that's sort of obvious, but I just want to say it. You have to be available to make that sell this week, because if you're buying now, get ready to know that you are near a phone and a computer with Wi-Fi access this week to make the sell. And then finally, stay with me, subscribe, because I will be on air to tell you that we're going into market correction on evening's crypto and then overnight's crypto. Let's recap the coins that you may want to buy and hold, or buy and flip if there is a market correction. Ultimately, you need to decide your type of risk and what type of market analysis you like. Early in yesterday's video, I went over how to assess personal risk. Watch that video to understand your personal risk. Bitcoin, if you want to buy and hold, I'd grab it like a 31,000. I think 33,000 is attainable, but I rather bargain basements buy it on 31,000. Ethereum, 1,500. I love Ethereum at 1,500. Now, if it goes to 1,900, you probably will buy it, but I really love Ethereum at 1,500. I think the pretzel guy at the corner is buying Ethereum at 1,500. And believe me, the opportunity is going to happen. I don't know if it's this Sunday, but the opportunity will happen. Doge, if you're a Doge buyer, I'm not. I just don't want to buy Doge. I don't think I'll ever buy Doge. I don't think I will ever suggest anyone to buy Doge. But if you want to buy Doge, you should be buying in the 20s. 27, 28, 31 is not a good price point, because you could literally be holding this Doge and it could be trading between 20 and 40 for the next 5 months. Well, not 5 months, 5 weeks. And there goes Polygon. So Polygon, you want to buy it in the 80 cents range, somewhere in the 80s. Decentraland, somewhere in the 50s, 51, 52. Engine in the 80s. And then Alive Peer in the 11, 12, 13, 14 approximate range. And there you go. All the details you needed to know across the board this morning. And thank you for joining me on Morning's Crypto. I'm next back on air with you for crypto this evening on Evening's Crypto. That's at 7 o'clock. That is our big show taped right before it airs. And then Overnight's Crypto, our 15-hour show in which I'm in the live chat. So if you have other coins to ask me questions about, other trading opportunities, other things I don't cover in the video, suggestions, questions, platforms, anything you want to ask, I'm in there all throughout the night and the morning. So drop your comments and questions. Subscribe. fastest growing cryptocurrency channel for a reason. 400,000 subscribers in 1 year, a YouTube record. Next stop, 1 million. Our videos are trending, so keep us trending by liking the videos. Make sure you always like the videos. Share them on Facebook, Reddit, and Instagram. And also stay informed and stay positive. I'm next back with you on Noontime LA in about a half an hour from now, about half an hour, 40 minutes from now, around 11:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Stay informed, stay focused, have a beautiful morning, and stay with LA for more.